Hi, I'm Josephine from we.CONECT and I'm here at the ener.CON Europe Conference 2016 together with Leo Pototzky from Bosch Rexroth in Germany. May I ask you to first introduce yourself and tell us more about your job background?
I'm studying mechanical engineering more than 25 years ago and was focused on environmental protection. Worked then for 15 years in so-called HSE area, health, safety, environment. Then in the meantime, something to do with locations, international locations. And since 2010, I'm working for the Go Green project for Bosch Rexroth.
And what is Bosch Rexroth actually doing?
I think you must look for two areas. One area is that Bosch Rexroth is developing and selling products which help to save energy, so-called drive and control company. And this means we produce software, we produce technology, maybe energy efficient motors, drives, pumps and so on to save energy is one part. And the other part where I'm responsible is to save energy at the plants, at the manufacturing plants. That's my focus.
What are the key elements for energy efficiency?
The key elements, that's a good question. We use our Rexroth 4E method if we go to our plants. That's one side. We speak about 4 levers. One lever is energy recovery, energy on demand, efficient components and system design.
Okay.
That's the main basis. And our Go Green approach is then to use this method and to work in a so-called holistic way for a holistic plant investigation. This means we look not only to maybe drives or to ventilation systems and not only to lights, we look to the complete plant, to the complete interaction between the different sections.
Okay, this is also a topic of your case study you are presenting.
Yes, exactly.
Can you dive a bit deeper into the topic and tell us more about it?
The most important thing is that we created a focus team, a core team of experts, of energy efficiency experts. And our experts go out to the different plants which are in the project and make this holistic plant analysis. This means that every plant gets a similar analysis and get later on a tailored program how to proceed and how to go on. This means we have not the same targets for every plant, but they need the same effort to reach the targets.
Concerning your environmental background and the fact that energy prices are quite low right now, what are convincing factors for the management to invest in energy saving?
I think the reasons are in every company similar at the end. The profit's the most important topic. The costs and so on, the savings, absolutely clear. It's really a high priority everywhere, I think. But if you look to Bosch and to the philosophy of Bosch, you must see that it's not in the first time a program to save money. In the first time it's a climate project to cut the CO2 emissions. It's the most important thing, and we do not forget this topic. Nevertheless, if we have any measure, it will be you must look and calculate if it's profitable or not. But I'm sure in this context that Bosch companies, Bosch plants have a little bit more chances to put things into practice. And at the moment, at the company, there are some discussions how to provide more money and so on. And my boss, who is a member of the executive board, he says he never rejected a good idea and a good question for energy saving project so far.
Do you feel like other delegates and attendees of the conference have the same issues and problems?
I think they have a principle regarding this payback periods and these things. But what's a big difference is that the colleagues talk a lot about management systems and certifications and so on. And our approach is in this area a little bit different because we are coming from the technical side. We saw also that employee behavior and topic awareness is quite important. We must also support this, and we have this also as a work package in our project. But in our opinion, it's much more better when we save the money automatically, I would say, and we do not depend on the behavior of an employee. That's a very big important difference, I would say.
But nevertheless, I hope that you can gain something out of this conference and get new ideas for your work.
In every case, because the the interactions here and the conversations and the breaks, but also the presentations are quite interesting, looking for different attitudes and the different informations and so far. Maybe I hope what will become a little bit more deeper, some more informations regarding technical things could be interesting for me, from my point of perspective. I think you understand. Yeah. Maybe we'll wait. We have more than one day coming, and in this framework, I think I'm sure we will get here more interesting information.
Thank you for your time, and I wish you a good time at the conference.
Thank you very much. Okay, bye.